Greetings! In Microsoft Excel, counting custom text in a dataset is useful for many reasons. Identify the frequency of specific items in the data. Extract meaningful insights from the data. Ensure data meets specific criteria. To count the occurrences of a specific character within a cell, combine the length and substitute functions. This combination performs case-sensitive counting. To count characters without case sensitivity, use the combination of length, substitute, and lower functions. You can also find how many times a certain phrase appears in your text, code, or content.